Hello, I'm Dario, and today I'm going to show you the Renault Trafic Extra and all the reason why it's the perfect van for you. The vehicle is covered under manufacturer's warranty, and we also have protected the paint with a triple layer of Gardex Nano Coat. This specific exemplar is in white and is in the Extra trim, which grants you color-coded front bumpers with fog lights, which also have a chrome trim on the surrounding. The lighting is full LEDs. You got 16 inches alloys, color-coded power fold mirrors. Then going towards the back, you got on the rear bumper parking sensors, barn-style rear doors, and a sliding door on the near side of the vehicle. And you also got the housing for the fuel cap and AdBlue cap just over here. As I mentioned, the mirrors are fully electrically adjustable and power fold. Now let's take a look at the cargo hold. Once you gain access to the cargo hold, you can see it's really massive. You got 130 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 143 centimeters of height up to the lowest point of the roof, and then you got a depth of the cargo hold of 288 centimeters from edge to edge. You also got a load-through hatches for the cabin, and I'll show it to you now. The hatch has a safety handle just over here, and once you open it, it is magnetically locked in place, and this grants you roughly 99 centimeters more of space. Let's take a look into the cabin now. Once you open the door, you can notice big storage solutions on the door card and a phone holder in the door handle. Then you got the controls for power mirrors and power windows. And then you're welcomed into the cabin by the sport seat profile seats, which are half leather, half fabric with contrast stitching. Once you get in, you can notice the charcoal finish of the brushed aluminum over the center console. Storage solution right on top of the dashboard. And one parcel shelf right in front of the driver's seat. A bottle holder. And then you get access to the dashboard. This one has got a fully colored TFT screen for the trip computer, which is also customizable. And then you get analog gauges for the rest. Over the steering wheel, you got the automatic headlights controls, cruise control settings, infotainment and trip computer controls, and then you got the infotainment volume and phone calls controls, wiper controls, dimming of the dashboard and the height adjustment of the high beam and low beam. The infotainment screen is the 8 inches model by Renault. This one is fitted with its own GPS, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the Bluetooth. And you can also set everything else for the vehicle, like all the driving assistance details. You got adaptive cruise control, active braking and fatigue control, plus you can also get the traffic signs to be replicated on the main dashboard screen. You got the parking assist at the rear for the parking sensors and all the rest of the controls of the vehicle. This specific exemplar is also fitted with the data plan from EE. Once you get access to any network, it will automatically update the GPS and also have you the real-time traffic informations into the maps. The center passenger seat is also the picnic table. You get a document holder just once you open it, and you get attachment points for the Renault tablet holders over here, and you get also a paper clip compartment over here. These are all the features and benefits of the Renault Trafic Panel Van Extra. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.